Slame Text Entertainment.
Roots, rockers, conscious,
everything
and
there.
also the dance hall.
Yeah, man, you have to take part of the dancehall thing, you don't know. And do remember all fans, like me promised last week, the DVDs and thing. Yeah, man, just make the letters roll in, because next week me there in the building with enough niceness. So just send in your letters, pay them as real name that me want to know. And next week definitely me will give out the DVDs. Yes, King?
Yeah, man, where you say? I just do a competition, but you know, music is a mission, not a competition. You know them way there? And you see now, through we gone in at the independence. And we're talking about we're really outer dependent. You know what I mean? Right? But you see in the reggae music, it brings unity amongst each and everyone. And there is a certain artist by the name of what? Gentleman. You know them way there?
Yeah,
man.
Set out to Germany.
Yeah.
I'm serious with that.
Yeah, one of the German, them I must show you same day in the music.
Definitely.
Rockers vibes, independent special, gentleman.
And so it a go. So the band just go out there and rock those vibes. Why say elder?
Well, you know, we're coming now to, boy, I don't really even like to talk about it, but you know, we're coming to a close and you know, all good things, we don't want to say it going end. We just say it close, you know, so we can reopen it. Yeah, man. You know, Highly Dread, Lady Saw, live and direct. But you know, blessed love to each and everyone in Zimbabwe.
Yeah, I want you remember say next week here on Rockers Vibes, Winky D me there with great dancehall vibes. And do remember me promise to know some DVDs. Or remember Benny Man's real name, and so you're going to win yourself a DVD. So from I Winky D, the big man, and the elder himself.
And I man, Guide and protection. I just Rockers Vibes. Make we go look around this business center. Enough ones and ones there. Bless.
Big up to the German. Big up to the German.
Big up to my German.
Big up Rockers Vibes.
Yes.